Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. Thanks for being. What?
That was not what I was expecting you to say.
Thanks for being here. I'm glad y'all chose to watch this video. I get comments every once in a while. They're like, "You lost me at the religious stuff," and you know what? At least you came and tried it out. But there's going to be a little bit more religious stuff here, just for a moment. Basically religious stuff. But who is the sponsor of this channel and us?
Jesus.
Jesus. Thank you so much for calling that out for me. And we have to give a word from our sponsor. Matthew chapter 27, verse 46. Jesus was hanging from the cross. He was being crucified, and he looks up to God. He looks up to heaven, and he says, my God, why have you forsaken me?" Hebrews 13:5 says that God will never leave us or forsake us. Peyton made me a nice little, what do you call that?
Coloring paper?
Yeah, that says, I will never fail you, I will never abandon you. But, and I never abandon you, that's the forsake. And I believe that God's not going to forsake me because he forsook Jesus while he was on the cross. And Jesus took that forsaking for me. So thank you, Jesus, for sponsoring me by taking my forsaking and taking my forsaking. And Grandma's going to
Forsakenness.
No, but it rhymes. Taking my forsaking.
Oh.
Oh.
But, got it.
This is Hesper's. I'm just introing this video because Hesper recorded her reaction to the 3 shoes that I got for her. And Christmas, actually, you know what? These are going to have to go up before Christmas. But she looked at these, watched these videos. I mean, one of these shoes was the Jordan 1 Lost and Found Chicago. And we got these like in the middle of November, huh?
What are you looking at?
The boxes.
Oh, I was like...
We got these like in the middle of November, and I still haven't posted her reaction to these, so I got to get this out today. But 3 pairs of shoes, and I let her open them and look at them all in like the beginning of December. And I was like, crap, I could have given all 3 of these to her for Christmas and had more presents for her under the tree. Dang it, probably should just wrap it up anyway. Nah, I got plenty of stuff for her. On top of the 2 pairs of shoes of the 3 that she wanted. Of those 3 that she wanted. So enjoy the rest of this video, her reaction. So a non-sneakerhead, really. I mean, she loves sneakers because she's got as many as I do. Here down are hers, and they're doubled up in most of them. That's a lot, right?
Yeah.
And
on the other side.
I've also got, over here too. I've also got plenty of shoes that I still need to unbox. But let's get to this video. Thanks for being here. Smash the like button. I'll see you next time.
I'm Hesper.
All right, we got Hesper here. And this is, I mean, y'all know this is this video, but she's got 3 new pairs of shoes up here, and I think she wants to keep 2 of these, maybe, or maybe just 1. But this video is actually going to come out first. You have already seen this video, and then you already saw that one before we even recorded, but she's going to take a look at all of them, so, and then we're going to get a reaction, so start right here on this one.
You want to see the tag?
No, just,
Okay.
we've already done the video,
Okay.
so just take it out. I want to see your reaction and your quick thoughts.
This is like a trash bag.
It is a trash bag and it's trash. Take it out. If you're deep in your shoes, take it out.
They look nice, but I've seen better Jordan 11s.
So you don't really like these Jordan 11s?
I have enough red.
Yeah.
That I really like.
Like,
Like,
no. So you're like, I'm good.
yeah.
You like 11s.
Yeah, I do like
and you
11s,
like those.
and I like these, but they're not like,
Not must-haves.
give it to me.
Yeah, not must-haves. All right. Cool. Put it right there. Put it right there. Bye. Next, let's go. Let's go those. That's this video. I just did my review and recorded it the other day, so I gotta put yours with it. Do you know what these look like off the top of your head?
No,
No? Okay.
I can't think of what they are.
You like the boxing and
Are they
everything?
like 3s or something?
No. Do you like the box? Do you like this so
I
far?
thought-
You don't gotta talk much about it, just do you like it?
This is kind of cool.
What's it smell like?
I don't know.
Be honest.
We'll be honest about the smell.
Yes.
I don't know. Is it social status or something?
No.
Like, was it from a store?
No, it's shipped.
Oh, it doesn't smell like it's from a ship.
It's not. I don't know what that is.
This is yucky looking.
It's waxy and
No,
it
I'm saying like
wrinkles
it
weird.
doesn't look nice.
Yeah.
Like it should.
Okay. It should be nice and crisp in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You opened this already.
I did, but I don't think I put it away that
It's
bad.
usually put away like nice, like straight and pretty.
Okay. I don't remember if they were with the video. The video will say
Okay, 4s.
4s. Yes.
Okay, I was thinking 3.
Smell the inside.
Yeah, they definitely don't smell like they're new.
What do they smell like?
Like from a store.
Like from memory lane.
Yeah.
Hell, I took them out the box, and Haley and I both said, we know what that is.
These are not.
But those are from a warehouse, like from somewhere in Indiana, I think they got shipped from. It's weird. Whatever. They smell really weird. They don't smell like you want a Jordan to smell. But whatever. We don't know why it actually smells like it. But what do you think?
I like it. I think, I don't have any clothes this color.
Okay.
So I'll need clothes this color.
You will need clothes this color. This means.
I would like them because you have them.
Okay. You want a twin.
And they look, nice.
They look
As
nice.
a woman's shoe.
Yeah, they do.
4s don't always look nice.
But you like these.
Because 4s are usually, to me, like a diabetic shoe.
Yeah, but those are compactish.
No offense to people with diabetic shoes.
Yeah. You just don't want to wear them.
Yeah.
All right. So you like those.
I do.
And you want to keep them?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That's what this video is about. So you give it their stamp of approval. Right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So y'all saw this video the other day, and I actually didn't take that one out of the box. I thought no, that's not that video. But I thought I had, no, I didn't even bother taking this one out of the box because I had a size 6. My brother-in-law had a size 6.5, so he traded me so that she could wear it comfortably. Don't worry about that. Just put it to the side. All right. Last but not least, you know what this is, don't you? This is what you're expecting, like the neatness.
Yes.
Okay.
Like when you get an expensive shoe, you want, I don't know.
You want the whole experience
Yeah, you want it to look nice.
of class.
I mean,
in a
like
sneaker.
normal shoes, you wouldn't care about the paper. But because
They're hyped. You got excitement about it.
yeah, and it's just
Hard to get.
yeah. I like that it has like newspaper stuff. It looks like newspaper stuff.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I can't really read it. I don't know.
That's
okay. Some of it's not really in English. Maybe I just can't see it.
That's all right. Let's do the shoe.
Yeah. It's the details.
You do like the details.
I like the details. I like the shoe because it looks like a Chicago shoe.
No, that's what we talked about the other day. You don't care that this looks like Chicago.
No, I do.
Why?
Because that colorway looks nice.
Okay, but not that it's Chicago. You just like the look of the color.
When I said that, you said that's Chicago.
I know. Okay.
So I
okay.
feel like I have to say.
But I think that's a good distinguishing difference. Most people that want this shoe, maybe not most, but a lot of people that want this shoe want it because it's OG and it's the Chicago colorway. Like if I didn't tell you, would you have said, "Oh yeah, this is the very first, like one of the very first, if not the first colorway ever made of the Jordan 1."
No,
and it's got all the nostalgia, and I like it because I watched him in the 80s, and he was playing in this shoe. I mean, I didn't watch him playing in this shoe, but part of the nostalgia is part of it for me. You just like the way it looks. Is that mold? A smudge of mold? Some people were saying mold was coming all over their shoes. Does it wipe off?
Yeah.
That's fine. It might be mold, whatever. So You like the color. What else you like about it?
I'm a little worried that this might fall off.
It might crack and peel.
Is that okay?
I guess.
Like, is it gonna be white underneath, or
I don't know.
is that something they talked about? Like,
It's not supposed to come off. It's not made to come off.
like
And then,
the topaz?
yeah, it's not a wear away like that.
Okay.
And then I moved around some shoes up top. So that's mine, and that's Trent's. So we're gonna be triplet in this one. Kind of like we will be tripleting the Concords. Hesper and I wore the Concords.
Is
Actually,
yours?
What?
What does your shoe look like on the bottom?
It's supposed to look worn, like stainedish or faded, white stuff.
Yeah.
That's what it's supposed to.
Okay, I was like,
Yeah, that's part of the
what am I inhaling?
it being worn like the
Okay.
black. Yeah, that's supposed to be the
That was
Well, you thought it
shocking.
was like cocaine?
No, I thought it was like mold.
So we
And I
wore.
was like,
No,
fake mold.
We wore our Concords. There's my Concord. Her Concord is right there over her shoulder. Yeah, we can see it. And Trent was not wearing shoes because we just got a little, like, we're not putting those shoes on him. It's just difficult. And his were on the shelf as we went to the mall to pick up
We
ours.
just don't go anywhere.
I mean, the last times we have actually gone somewhere like the doctor, we didn't put any shoes on him. He's wearing like footy pajamas, thick stuff when we're out in the cold. So
Well, that's because he's wearing different outfits. Like before, we had like a little pantsuit on him,
yeah, that would.
and that would his
yeah.
feet would be exposed.
Yeah.
But
I think those are going to fit him a little bit better in a few months anyway, and be more
Yeah.
likely to
He
stay
still
on.
has little feet.
So you like these? You
I
like
do
the
like
I'm on the
these.
air? You
I
want
like
both?
this color,
Yeah.
the way it's done. Like I'm really particular about the swoosh and the contrast. I want shoes that I normally wear to pop. Like the fours, I don't think I would normally pick shoes like this.
Because there's nothing poppy,
It's not a lot of pop.
but
I
they're
mean,
like
maybe like
they're more
paint
like
color.
elegant looking almost.
That's what I'm saying.
Not
Like I
like
need something
heels,
that, like you can make it look elegant, or you can make it look not good
Yeah.
by what you wear with it. Maybe. I mean, some people just wear it with whatever.
Yeah.
But
So you like these?
I like this color.
So you got 2 new pairs of shoes for Christmas.
Mhm.
Man, that's a big Christmas right there.
Mhm.
I'm just kidding. But not really. Just don't forget, you got 2 hard to get pairs of shoes.
Yeah.
Hard to get. Not everybody hit on those. These, I paid, what they were, I think they were 140.
Mhm.
And they're worth 240. So what do you got to say to that?
Got them.
Yeah, but say like you mean it. Say like you mean it.
I did make it.
Say got them.
Got them.
All right. Which ones do you like better?
I like them the same for different reasons.
The same for different reasons. Okay.
Yeah, I can't. Yeah, it's not like that.
Okay. So like these maybe you'll think look better, but those you kind of like, okay, it's different and it's
Yeah.
But it's
Well,
pretty.
that is. Oh, we have the same of these too, but
Trent doesn't have those because they didn't make it. So
That's
be all right. It'll be all right. He's got enough shoes.
yeah.
I asked this in actually it was in this in the video where I did these. I asked, so he's got 3 pairs of itsy bitsies right there. He's got 6 pairs of shoes up there. The foam runners are a little big, but so 5 little pairs of shoes and then 1 more over there. So he hits 6 pairs of real shoes, Jordans and Dunks. Is that too many? Should I like?
Who's the person to
I'm
say?
asking you now.
Oh, I'm the person. to say.
Yes.
No, I mean as long as he wear them.
One day you can't wear them now.
I mean as long as he's not gonna outgrow them and he has them and didn't wear them.
He's gonna outgrow them.
Yeah, but he didn't wear them.
All right, I might have to post this video all by itself because it's long.
You're talking?
All right, so let's go ahead and end this video. This is gonna be your own video. So
It's your video.
we gotta come back, but it's just you. So we gotta come back and record an intro. So now you record the outro because it's all you.
Hey guys.
This is the outro.
I don't know what that means.
Smash the like button. That jazz.
Smash the like button and all that jazz.
And what is that jazz?
Super name the shoe man and tell your grandma.
Okay.
Bye. You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.